Good morning student. Welcome to Sheba Group of School online class. Now this class we are discuss about the plant and animal hormones. Last previous class 12, 13, 14, 15 lessons are finished. Now we are going to 16th unit plant and animal hormones. So what is the hormones? That is the function of control and then a coordination of the function. That is called the hormones. It's clear. Function is the control and coordination of the hormone. This is a hormone. Next one is a learning object. First of all, read the learning object is a defined hormones. What is the hormones? The kind of chemical substances will be changed in the plant. So that is called hormone. It's clear. The hormones is it is a kind of chemical substance able to the help of the growth as well as the plant only growing up till the hormone. That is two types of growth will be hormone. One is a growth or the promoted hormone. Growth will be promoted hormone, and another one is a inhibitions. That is a growth is stopped. That the plant will be growth stopped the plant hormone. It's clear. Now we are going to the next one is a hormones. That is a derivative the Greek words of the hormones. That is a excite. What is the hormone? That is called a excite. Hormone is here. It's the most of the scientific term will be the hormone. Is the scientist name will be followed. Hormones the Greek that is called the list out hormones. Is a classify the plant hormones. What are the classify? That is called a growth promoters and the growth inhibitors. Growth promoters and listen, growth promoters and growth inhibitors. So that is called a growth promoters means is a growing up well. Is clear? Growing up well the plant, that is called the growth promoters. Growth inhibitors is a growth will be stopped. Growth will be stopped, that is called the growth inhibitors. So first of all, the hormones is the kind of chemical substances is able to for the growth as a help of the growth as well as to the individual growth. That is called the hormone. Next one is differentiated. What is differentiated? Physiological and morphological, and the variety of the physiological various part of the hormones. Various physiological and morphological, and then next one is activities. That is called various part of the various hormones will be secreted for the plant. Next one is that is a physiological effect the plant only for them each and every one hormones. Each and every one hormones. Next one is understand how the plant and coordinate the function, and already I told the hormone is a function of the coordination and control the plant. It's clear. Next one is next we are going to the is a hormone. What is the hormone? The hormone, the word derived from the Greek, that is called hormone. Hormone means excite. So that is called a hormone. Most of the scientists will be produce the hormone. Scientists are termed will be from the derived from our name only produce the hormones. Next, the plant hormone is a endocrine gland. Is the vertebrate animals and process the device of the communication of the animals will be followed. So how is controlled? How is the control the hormones? That is called a physiological control, morphological control, and the biochemical. So these are three types of the control the hormones. Only the basically made up of the hormones is only the easily decomposable is dead and decaying for the easily dead and decaying organisms. So that is called easily decomposable of the organisms of the organic molecules. So that is called the hormones. Basically they are made up of the carbon and decomposes of the plant. Is clear? So this is five types of the hormones. How many types? 5 types. One is axin, second one is gibberellin, third one is cytosine, third, fourth one is ethylene. Okay, abscisic. So these are all the 5 types of the hormones. I will explain after I will explain. Listen, next we are going to the major type of hormone. That is there are the 5 major classes plant hormones. One is axine. Listen, one is axine. Second one is cytokines. Next is gibberellins. Fourth one is abscisic acid. Fifth one is ethanol. Fifth one is ethylene. Okay, ethylene. Listen, first of all, the 5 types of the major hormones will be present. One is axine, second one is cytokinin, very important question. Cytokinins, third one is gibberellins, fourth one is abscisic acid, ABA, that means ABA and ethylene. These are all the 5 major type of the hormones. Listen, first one is hormones. Hormones interaction the plant growth and development. How is the hormone growth and development of the plant? First is the leaf, that is control is a cell division. Control the leaf is a cell division, will be following the control only for the cytokinin and gibberellin acid. First of all, axine, cytokinin, gibberellin. These are growth promoted hormones. It's clear. First 3 is growth promoted hormones. Axine, cytokinin, gibberellins or the growth promoted hormone. First 3 hormones. Next, abscisic acid and ethylene. These 2 hormones is growth inhibitors of the hormone. Growth will be stopped the hormone abscisic acid and ethylene. So next, the plant. First, the top of the leaf. How is the leaf? What is the leaf function? Control and cell division. So what hormone will be produced? Cytokinin and gibberellin. So that is growth promoted hormones will be produced the leaf. It's clear. Cytokinin and gibberellin hormone control the cell division of the plant. Next one is a tip of the region. Listen carefully. Tip of the region, that is a stem. Control the stem, leaf and elongation region. Stem and leaf elongation region. Control of the stem, that is called stem and leaf. Both are controlling the elongation region from the axine. Which hormone is produced? Axine and gibberellin. Already I told the first 3 hormones only growth of the promoters hormones. Okay, so stem and leaf region will be control the axine and gibberellin acids will be secreted the hormone of the plant. Next one, this is a growth of the young fruit. Growth of the young fruit. Which one the hormones? Cytokinin introducing of the fruit. The fruit will be formed just the cytokinin hormones only introducing of the fruit. It's clear. Leaf control the cytokinin, gibberellin. Leaf and stem both are control the axine, elongated during the axine and gibberellin hormone supported and control the plant. Next, growth of the young fruits. Fruits will be formed. So that is the cytokinin hormones introducing of the fruit. It's clear. Next, the gravitation root. How is the root formation? The gravitation of the root only the axine. Axine only the fruit root of the gravitation of the root followed the axine hormone. Next, the development of the abscission of the zone. Ethylene, which one is here? The root branch development of the abscisic acid and soon the ethylene. Both are, this is a stopped. The growth will be, the plant growth will be stopped. There is a last two hormones, abscisic acid and ethylene. It's clear. So 5 types of hormone. One is a axin, cytokinin, and then gibberellin. Next one is abscisic acid, then ethylene. So first 3 is a growth promoters hormone, and then another 2 hormones is a growth inhibitors of the hormones. Next, what is this? This is a plant interactions in the growth and development. So this is a plant interaction in the development and the growth of the hormones. That is called the plant which one the hormones secreted in the plant, tip region, stem region, and the root region, fruit region. Which one hormone secreted of the is a separated various physiological activities of the plant hormones. It's clear. Next, we are going to the Venn experiment. What is the Venn experiment? It's a first for discovered the Venn experiment of the plant. First of all, plant Venn experiment of the plant region, that is a tip of the coleoptiles. Is a experiment will be developed the coleoptiles. So now we are going to the experiment. What is the experiment? Venn experiment. What is the Venn experiment? The first Warmont Venn. So that is our name. Warmont Venn is our name. The Warmont Venn 1903 and 1990. So our name, the Warmont Venn. So that is the first discovered the plant. How is the hormone secreted the tip region? So discovered the experiment that when take the Avena coleoptiles leaf, taken the Avena coleoptile leaves. That is the when taken the Avena coleoptiles. Then cut the tip of the region. Cut the tip of the coleoptiles region. It's clear. Take the Avena coleoptile region. The tip of the coleoptiles is a tip of the region. Cut and the grow indicated the tips of the producing. How is grown up there? So the cut tip did not grow, indicating that the tips produced something one. What the reason? That is essential for the growth of the each and every plant, essential for the tip region only. So cut the plant that is not grow. What is the reason? Because some chemical substances present in the tip of the region. Because some chemical substances will be present in the tip of the region. So that is not the plant will be not grow. So the first experiment is finished. Once again, the cut tip did not grow, indicating that the tip of the produced something of the essential for growth. What essential? Because this chemical substances will be growing up the tip of the region. So that is not the plant is not grow. It's clear. Second experiment. Second experiment is he placed the agar plaques. He changed the agar plaques. Plaques will be the decapitated of the coleoptile plant. Is taking the cut of the agar plaque will be is a decapitated of the plant. Okay, cut and is separated the agar black, and the region, the block on the decapitated of the coleoptile region. What will this tip? This is not grow. Another one is this is not grow. The second experiment. So first the plant discovered the hormone, only the axin deflected to the axin region of the introducing. Which one? Kogel and Hagen are the axin hormone is deflected of the region. Third experiment, listen carefully. Third experiment. In this experiment, he placed the detached. He placed and detached another one is the tip of the region coleoptiles. The tip soon of the agar black will be a grown up well. Another one plant you are the tip of the coleoptile region, and then the grown up well. So that is called the 3 experiment will be discovered the vent. Okay. Now next the type of axin. How many types of vaccine? Natural vaccine and another one is a synthetic vaccine. Next we are going to the another class. We are second section we are going to the type of vaccine and the physiological of the effect of the vaccine, cytokinin, gibberellin and then abscisic acid, ethylene. Next, okay. Listen children. You are coming soon the quarterly exam. You are prepared well, sit and well and read and write the exam. Thank you.